For as long as I've been selling real estate, people have been dying to get into the Haven. This is your chance. This may be one of the sharpest homes you'll come across in the Haven. This home exudes pride of ownership and offers several unique features, making it a must-see. Retreat through the French doors into your primary bedroom with an ensuite 5-piece bathroom and walk-in closet for some rest and relaxation. The finished basement feels like the rest of the home, with more space for hanging out, playing, working out, and offers an additional bedroom and gorgeous bathroom. The lot backs to a greenbelt, and its wedge shape allows for a trampoline, even a large sport court and basketball hoop, shed, and plenty of room to play.